Hi guys, Tech Geek for Life here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and assemble your Blackberry Curve 8520. Start by making sure the phone is switched off, then take off the back cover and take out the battery, put them to one side. Then you need to take out the two screws from the back, one either side of the frame. For this you will need a Torx screwdriver and a prying tool. Once you've done that, go back to the front of the phone, get your prying tool and locate the small panel under the spacebar on the keyboard. Put your prying tool in the side and lift away until it pops out. Put that to one side. Then you need to get your prying tool and start at one of the corners and just lift up until you hear the click. Do that on both corners. Then lift away the frame and your lens should go with it. That's one side. This lens you can just replace separately. After you've done that, take off the keyboard, get a screwdriver, take out the two screws at the bottom of the phone which hold in a piece of plastic which holds on your front frame. Then there's two screws either side of where the keyboard normally is. And after you've done that, there's two more at the top as well. Just take these out and put them on one side. After you've done that, all the screws should be out, and get your prying tool and put it in next to the LCD and lift away at the board until it comes out of the back frame. There's various connections in the back. There's the vibrating motor, various signal connections, and the connector for your battery. To change the trackball, you need to take out the screw on the metal frame just above, or just next to where your SIM goes. Don't worry about getting that mixed up with the others because it's the same size screw. After you've done that, take off the metal plate from the back and just disconnect the trackball flex cable. Change your screen, just simply undo this flex cable at the top and your screen should come away. And if you have the white screen issue, just open the phone up and push down on that connector, or take unclip that connector and just clean that off a bit. Your keyboard membrane is stuck onto the main board and the plastic which protects it goes on top. To reassemble, take your trackball, reconnect it to the main board, then get the metal plate, making sure the black circle is in the right place. This goes onto the back to press the button for when you press down the trackball. Then take any screw and put it in. This screw also holds on the black plastic on the front. Once you've done that, make sure the clip next to the trackball is in place, and get your LCD, put it back on and line it up with the holes either side of the board, clip it down, and just take a screwdriver or whatever and push down on your LCD connector. Once that's in place, you can get your back frame again and line up the board, clip it down, then start at the top, put in the screws either side of the top of the LCD. Then move to the screws either side of the keyboard. And again, it doesn't matter which screws you put in where because they're all exactly the same. Now before you put back this black plastic into the bottom, before you put the screws back into the bottom, you need to get this black plastic and put it back in place. It slides under the black piece of plastic which goes on top of the keyboard membrane. After you've done that, get your keyboard plastic and just place it on. It should line itself up. Then get your front frame, and starting at the top, you need to slide it over the two black things at the top which hold it in place. Then just run it down the sides and clip it down, making sure your keyboard's back in. Then there's two clips at the bottom. After you've done that, get your lens and just place it back on. It should still have the double-sided tape on the back from when you took it off. Get your plastic. It will either have a network on it if it's network locked, or it will just be plain black if you've got an unlocked handset. Again, this just clips down. Then finally take your two screws for the back, put them in either side of the frame, then take your battery, put it back in, put the back cover back on, and as it's a Blackberry, we'll wait half an hour for it to switch on. Thank you for watching. Please like, favourite and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and be sure to comment what you would like to see in future videos. Thank you.